scissors.
Figured. Good morning, Philippines! First day here in Philippines. I wanna get a medicine for the gout.
What medicine?
It's I don't know what you call this one. Wait. Nice to be back home. Philippines, good morning everyone. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home. I'm home.
Me too.
This is medicine for the gout.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is good one.
What is that?
I don't know. How do you call this one? But this help for my gout. I will try it. Everything.
Yeah, give it to Kuya.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, the eggplant is small.
Baby.
You miss Philippines?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes. Always.
Welcome home.
I just don't like the 16-hour
16-hour
flight. Pretty. Pretty flowers.
Oh, you're gonna get some beauty.
What else, Mommy? Wow. I know.
This is pansitan. Okay.
It's Are you the one who was wearing it? Take it off. Garden in the Philippines. Oh my eggplant. More flowers. More here. Wow. Hi, Thunder. Hi, baby. More. Wow.
Okay, good morning America. My baby feed the chicken. First day of my daughter in America. Oh, not America, in the Philippines. Wow, it's a lot of chicken. Chicken. Di ba, di ka no be? Move over there in the calamansi. Hoy, hoy. The little duck.
Oh, the baby. Oi.
No, in there. Diyan, tanong makita da. Because the... Oh, it's here, this way, this way. Yeah. Tok, 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 tok. Tok, 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 tok. Kati, say hi. I have a chicken.
You're taking my ducks.
Chicken and duck and turkey.
You have turkey too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, right there. Is that enough or more?
I don't know.
One more. One more.
We're gonna buy later for the feeds. For the duck.
Spicy. Spicy. Okay, no more. Sure, that's it. No more.
Cathy said no more, no more. Oh, look at the calamansi. Oh, they have katuda in there. That one. The pias.
Oh, they're nice. One.
Awan bunga na.
Hey ducks. They're my little
Just
ducks.
the marang there. What are you doing, chicken? You keep on following my baby.
Because I'm the mother chicken now.
You're the mother of the chicken?
No, I'm just kidding.
How come? You're gonna eat chicken later. Yeah, which one you like? Pick now. Grab one, grab one. Come on. You don't like? You scared?
No, I just don't want to kill it.
How about that one? We get the flower of that one. There. Yeah,
You want that?
we're gonna eat that flower.
Ah, you,
Ala, ala, ala.
you stupid chicken.
Napa na? Apan, nawa na ni pa ni
Punyeta.
mami.
I'm gonna kill that one. Kill that one.
Who's the bad boy chicken in there? Huh? What did you do? He bite you? Open the gate. Look at the duck. Be careful that one. Tuktukan na ta agong mo. There. He's coming again.
Go away.
The three chicken. We're gonna eat that one. Ni kanon na manan, umay manan.
You go away. There should be more.
Did you bite ate, ha? Chicken?
See my toes?
Oh, you bite it? Oh, crazy chicken. Which one?
This one. Is
Oh.
you following me?
Is it the one who bite you?
Yeah.
Oh, they gonna eat you, chicken?
So many chickens.
Okay, there. Go get the chicken.
So many.
Go get there. No, don't open the gate. The chicken will gonna eat that. Apa pa na kita manok ata kinagadam di kuana. Go get there.
All of them?
Yeah. Ipasidaking yam. And then you're gonna put tomato on it. Gonna try it. That's my oldest brother. Say hi, vlog. Look at my daughter.
Ah, wala.
Awan ti mong mga anti kasti tape nagado usabong na. Awan Ilocano tiya. Tao may ko kumapagalaan ni nagadaw.
Ayan, kung hindi parang crab.
Mangi prosa nagtutiyawid ko takanan ni Sani.
Hindi mo talabot tayo.
Ha?
Ayan,
Agdan.
dahil hindi kaya.
Sumampatot tabigat. Be careful in there. Listen up.
I didn't hear any.
No taho in the morning.
Wala traffic na rin.
Ha?
Just take this one, Mommy.
Yeah. That one. This is now the pansit-pansitan coffee. I think, how do you, oh la, remove that one there, the old one. Para masarap. Yan. Remove the barbas. Look at that mosquito bite. Goodness.
Masarap daw imported na dugo. Sabi ko
Eee!
na dugo.
Ew, ew.
My imported,
Ang dami dugo
May-
agad doon. Dami na chip-chip. Ano
my
ba?
American blood.
Nagadumang matikwa. Lamok, bigbigatan.
Sa lahat, di ba? Lawan.
Yeah. You're watching a beautiful girl. So that's why.
Ha? Pati-pati ka mo. The serious?
Yeah, the rice is like a... Let's eat. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, kay Ibon.
Good morning, Kaibon.
Ibon, kay Ibon.
Napagasan tayo talisa.
Look at Uncle Bird. Labay na pa adi bugungan. Kunana, mading ako high blood.
Madami minsan si dada ko metlog kon boiled egg. Pero sila ko pa ito na.
Pila. Ibang bata eh.